So to make, first we're gonna do is make tortilla, fresh tortilla at home. I got 2 cups of whole wheat flour and half cup all-purpose flour. So, and I got 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix it all together. And I got a warm water and pour a little bit at a time. Just mix it. Okay, so this is done. Gonna keep it for half an hour, then we're gonna make tortillas with it. Fresh tortilla. Okay, so one side, turn the other side. We don't want to like overcook it, right? The stove is just perfect. Let it, it's not that warm yet. Just press it like that. You don't need to cook these too much because you're gonna be making quesadillas after, right? So you're gonna be cooking over again.
Getting a bit bubbly now.
Yeah.
It's rising up.
Yeah. The stove just, it's not that high, but that's okay. We don't need too high. It takes extra minutes.
Now there's getting big bubbles.
Yeah. That's okay, bubbles can go down. We don't need bubbles. We're gonna be doing quesadillas after this. There you go, that's done. I'm gonna do the other one, next one. Just like that. So there you go, coming along. Just press it down a little bit. So I'm gonna be a little out of shape, that's okay.
It's starting to get a bit brown now,
Yeah.
so it's starting to cook.
Just, yeah, not too cook. You don't want to cook too much because we're gonna be cooking more after, right? We don't want to overcook. This is healthy. They are like whole wheat. Most of it flour is whole wheat. You can make totally white flour if you like. So there you go. First we're gonna make the plain one. And what we do, guys, plain. And if you guys want a veggie, you can add all the veggies. But my granddaughter, these girls, they love veggies, so I'm gonna add veggies in there. I have all kind of veggies here. So you can make it bigger you want, so I didn't make too big because of the grill is not that big. So here you go. And you can just put cheese here. This is mozzarella cheese. Much you want. Here you go. And just fold it like that. Press it down.
Press it down.
Yeah. And brush it with a little bit of oil, both sides. And I'm gonna brush the oil over grill too. I put it a little bit slow. And just put it here, one side, and brush oil on the other side. And I'm gonna cover it. Put to low heat. You don't want to make too high heat. I just cover this like that. So let it cook and let it steam inside. Cook all the cheese, let the cheese melt. And I'm gonna prepare the other one. Just like this. Now this one I'm gonna make with the veggies. I have zucchinis, onions, peppers. You can put much you want.
Yes.
And I have a little bit spinach. Make it healthy. Very healthy.
Yes, very happy.
Yeah, there you go. I put a little bit more. Oops, falling apart. A bit more onions.
Now we fold it.
Yeah, and put the cheese on it.
Cheese.
Put the cheese on this side.
And
And you can put
fold.
cheese before if you want. You put the cheese on the tomato side if you like. And just fold it like this. There you go. You can make a little bit bigger tortillas if you like. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the other one, other side. There you go. And see that? Okay, and I cover this. And put a little bit of oil on this one. Brush it with the oil a little bit. A little bit more, and I'm gonna put this one there too. And cover it. Here you go. Then washing my hands. There you go. Our quesadilla is ready. This one is plain. Arya, you want to taste the plain one or you want to taste the veggie one?
I think I'll taste both.
Okay, taste this one. Shall you taste that one? So Nandu and Kushi, this is for you guys. You can make it plain or you can use with veggies. So taste, Kaliman, this is the veggie one.
This is good.
Yeah.
This is
Okay.
delicious.
Yeah. And what the veggie one? Try the veggie one. You want to try the veggie one? I made small. I didn't make too big. Right. So, hot.
It's a bit hot.
I saw your cheese drop. Okay. Yeah. I should try
It's
this.
delicious too.
The veggie one.
It's so yummy, Daddy.
Yeah. Oh wow. So I'm gonna taste that. Should I taste that?
Yes. Taste it. It's really yummy.
Wow. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I dropped the two. Okay. If you like my video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Pomegranate.